Hey everybody, this is Greg Hamilton. You know, I don't often get in front of a camera and talk about other companies or, do testimonials, but I've been working in oil and gas for the last 20 years, and I've dealt with a lot of contractors. And when it comes to oil field construction, recently, during my time in Bonneville heavy oil region, we needed help in managing road infrastructure, and we require site servicing, excavation, and help with managing our lease roads. By far, SLA Industries has always handled all the work safely and on time, and I have no hesitation in recommending them to anybody.